What's going on, YouTube? It's my Fat Lane Woody back at you with another one. About to put these tail lights on I just got, man. The LEDs, man, they still red. Y'all can see they factory right now. Got the LED tail light. As you can see, man, I'm finna change out the third brake light. I got it. You get these tinted though. Tinted all black with this silver still showing. I got this black. All black, you feel me? Yeah, I got some LED headlights. And I got some more LED fog lights. And I got some more LED headlights. Well, we're finna get started. I'm gonna come back with you after I'm done. Alright, YouTube, you can see that I'm finished. Done dollar. Say something to the vlog. This you wanna laugh and shit. My boy finna get that truck right. Okay, is it? Say something to it. What you gotta say, Joey? Bought from Jacksonville, Scribe Flower. Just stay tuned, man. Look Cold Stone, y'all see it. We out there. What's going on YouTube, man? I know it's late, man. I had to get y'all a nighttime shot. Nighttime shot. Finish part up. Turn the cargo light on. Nighttime shot. That's it. Y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Got more coming.